This 2023 Keystone Montana 3901RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 42 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, external shower, LP detector, microwave, DVD player, oven, leveling jacks, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Montana 3901RK is 14,541 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.